Hello, today I'm going to talk about why your printed piece does not often match the color on your screen. The basic theory behind this is because your screen is always built in RGB mode, which is an additive color. The print is usually either in a PMS color or subtractive color, which is CMYK mode, which stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So the basic overview of it is it's going to look like this on your computer screen, but how it'll print will be a little bit different. So you got to keep this in mind when you're designing your file or your promoted piece, that it will always look a little bit different when it's printed. You can briefly overread the theory behind this when you read the above text, and there are some examples shown here of what the colors will look like on your screen as compared to how it'll print if you use Pantone or if you use CMYK. For a basic overview on this, you can contact us, and we have very many swatches available to show you exactly how your final printed piece will look. Again, thank you. Bye-bye.